Yay! I am glad that you decided to click on this video, so please keep on watching! Hey everyone! Welcome to Crafts and Kids! It is Yunu season again at most schools, so I am back making DIY national costumes. I initially planned to make this year's costume without sewing, but let's see if we can really do it. To make a corset type of bodice, I decided to use eyelets for the strap to go through instead of making those usual buttonholes. And to make the eyelet possible, I used this puncher or pliers, which I bought from Shopee. Please check the description box for the link. If you've been watching my videos for a long time now, you'll know that I am not a pro at sewing and I learn as I go along the process. Mostly trial and error, and with that being said, I tested this tool on an extra fabric. This eyelet tool has a hole puncher, but I didn't use it cause I think its blade is blunt and cannot make a hole of the fabric. Or maybe I just don't know how to use it. What I did, I marked the fabric to where the hole should be and cut an X. The size of the hole needs to be just enough to push the eyelet through. If it is too big, the eyelet will fall out. Next, get an eyelet. I have gold and silver options in 5mm diameter. Push the eyelet through the hole coming from the right side of the fabric. Then, align the eyelet and pliers. The ring part of the eyelet should sit in the slightly curved side of the pliers, while the tube part of the eyelet should be aligned with the pointed side of the pliers. Then, squeeze the plier handles as much effort as you can until the eyelet holds the fabric tightly. At first, I didn't notice the alignment, that's why tube part of the eyelet was not totally punched down, so I had to squeeze the pliers again. For the strap, I am using this 1/2 inch ribbon and just inserted it through the eyelets in a crisscross pattern to have the corset look. This video is only showing a part of the costume since it is still in the making as of this filming. Stay tuned and thank you for watching!